Welcome back to Day 16, Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. Watching someone talk for a long time can be boring. B-roll is the footage you show to add visual interest and help tell your story. Let's learn the right way to add it in Final Cut Pro. We have our main clip here. To add B-roll, find a clip in your browser that relates to what's being said. Now, drag that clip from the browser and drop it on top of your main clip in the timeline. This creates what's called a connected clip. When you play it back, Final Cut Pro will show the B-roll clip, but you'll still hear the audio from your main clip underneath. This is perfect for illustrating your story. The best part about connected clips is that they are stuck to the main clip. If you move your interview clip, the B-roll you attach to it will move with it, always staying in sync. Now you can make your videos much more dynamic with B-roll. Sometimes, instead of another video, you just want to pause on a single moment. In the next video, we'll learn how to create a freeze frame. Like and subscribe so you don't miss Day 17.